Hi guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can earn real money on Fiverr using ChatGPT. As you can see, you can go to Fiverr. Fiverr added a new service, AI services. Here you can see ChatGPT applications and more services. Now you can create gigs on ChatGPT. As you can see, 380 services, 380 gigs are created by people. You have to also create gigs and earn money. As you can see, he will write AI writing. He will create blog using ChatGPT. He will create open AI app using ChatGPT. So guys, don't miss this opportunity and create gigs on ChatGPT. As you can see, these people are getting orders and earning money. As you can see, he got 2 orders and you can check these gigs. So guys, create gigs on ChatGPT. Fiverr give us that opportunity. You can see all peoples are creating gigs, AI services, and then click on ChatGPT applications. Thank you.